Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Kipitchay Wetaya School video presentation. I'm Teacher Bing. I'm Teacher Bing, Primary 1 English Math teacher. Today we are going to learn and study about addition. What is addition means? Addition is combine a number to another number. The two numbers are added together so that we can create addition equation to find out how many you are going to have all in all. In other words, plus means addition, plus, combine, increase, total, and join, add all together, both with more. What is this symbol means? This symbol is called plus sign. It shows that we are going to add the two or more numbers together. This symbol to place between the two added number. Now, we can count on to find the sum, but before that, we need one more symbol. What is this symbol means? This symbol is called equal sign. It tells us the amount or we add together. For example, 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples. What those plus equation means? Three plus 3 equals 6. 3 is what we call addend, and the other 3 is also the addend, and the total of two numbers that we add together is 6, and 6 is called the sum. For the activity, 2 flowers plus 2 flowers is equals 3 chairs plus 3 chairs is equals 1 boat plus 1 boat is equals 4 pineapple plus 4 pineapple is equals 3 pears plus 4 pears is equals 2 ribbons plus 1 ribbon is equals. That's all for today. Bye. See you next time. Thank you.